there, my name is Gillian and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm an online business strategist, which basically means that I help people learn how to make a living and support themselves online. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 7 ways that you can make money with your YouTube channel. Most of these strategies work even if you're just starting out and you have a tiny channel, so don't worry if you don't have really big numbers yet. Alright, so the first way you can make money with your YouTube channel is by getting sponsorships. Now you might think that you need to have a whole lot of subscribers in order to actually get a brand to sponsor your videos, but actually if your videos are really focused on a specific topic, like on pet care or on homeschooling or on cleaning your house or on beauty, then there are brands that will be interested in working with you even if you have a really small audience, because you're targeting the exact people who will be really interested in that company's products. One place that you can go to find brand sponsorships is a website called FameBit, which works in partnership with YouTube. And basically it just helps to connect influencers, such as YouTubers, with brands who are looking to partner with influencers. Aside from using a service such as FameBit, you can also reach out to brands directly yourself and tell them why you think they would be such a good fit for your channel and how you could help them out. The second way that you can make money on YouTube is to use your YouTube videos to attract clients for your business. So if you have any sort of freelance skill, or you decide to develop a freelance skill, like become a photo editor or a web designer or a graphic designer or a virtual assistant, then you can actually use your videos as a place to advertise your services. You can either do this right at the beginning or the end by saying, this video was sponsored by my company that does such and such, or you can just make videos about topics that relate to the service that you provide, and in that way show off to people that you actually know what you're doing, you know what you're talking about, so that they naturally are interested in hiring you. The third way that you can make money from your YouTube channel is the way that I make most of my income, and that's by selling digital products. Digital products could be online courses or membership sites or something as simple as an ebook. What is amazing about these products is that you don't have a per unit cost. And so what that means is it doesn't cost you anything more to make 10,000 ebooks than it cost you to make that very first ebook. Once you put in the time and the effort up front to make a digital product, to write an ebook or to create an online course of some sort, then you can sell thousands of copies after it without having to do any more work or without having to store any sort of inventory. The fourth way that you can make money with your YouTube channel is by affiliate marketing. Now I know that if you have never heard of affiliate marketing before, that might sound really complicated or like you have no idea what it is, but actually all it means is that you're selling somebody else's product and you're using a special trackable link. So you talk about a product in your video, whether you're talking directly specifically about it or you just mention it as you're making a video about something else, and then you put a link in your description to the product, whether it's on Amazon or on some other site, and when someone purchases that product with your special link, you get a cut of the profits. As an affiliate for a product, you can earn anywhere from about 4% all the way up to about 75%. Typically for physical products, like with Amazon, you're gonna earn 4 to 8%, but if you're selling digital products, like if you're selling somebody else's online course, then you normally earn 50% of the cost of the program. The great thing about affiliate marketing is that you don't actually have to make the product yourself. It's really easy to get started with. You can simply sign up for these affiliate programs. Normally there is no barrier to doing that. They normally let anyone sign up, and then all you have to do is mention the product in your video, say something positive about it, and put the link in your description, and then you will make money from it. So it's really easy. Of course, it's also really important that you only promote products that you actually know are good products, and preferably have personal direct experience with the product so that you can be sure that it is a really good quality product. The fifth way that you can make money with your YouTube channel is to sell merch. So basically that means you can sell t-shirts or mugs or posters that have something to do with your channel. So maybe it's a t-shirt with just your channel's logo on it, but more likely it's a t-shirt that has some sort of phrase that people who watch your videos will get and they'll think it's funny, or they'll be proud to wear it for some reason or another. So selling merch can be a really easy way to make money with your channel, because there are a lot of different services like merch.amazon.com that allow you to just kind of fill out a form, click a few buttons, and then they'll actually make the merch for you, and they will store it and they will ship it. So you can just put links down in your description and sell this merch to your viewers on your YouTube channel. The sixth way that you can make money with your YouTube channel is through crowdfunding. Now, the most popular way that people are doing this these days is through the website Patreon. And basically how this works is you ask people to support you on Patreon, and then they will say that every time you do something, like every time you make an extra video, they're going to give you a little bit of money. Now, this isn't necessarily my favorite way to make money with your YouTube channel, because I tend to be more entrepreneurial and more focused on giving people specific value and actually selling it to them. And I don't prefer to just ask people to please give me money if I do something, but instead to say, I have this thing, do you want to buy it? That's just my personality. But Patreon does offer a really great platform for some specific types of YouTube channels, like music or art focused YouTube channels, because those things do lend themselves more to that type of support. And then the seventh way that you can make money with your YouTube channel is to monetize it with ads. And I left this one to last because I know that it's the one that comes to mind very first, and I didn't want to just start the video like that. Now, personally, my YouTube channel makes quite a bit of money from ads. In order to make money with ads, you do have to meet certain thresholds, like having at least 1,000 subscribers and then getting a certain number of views and a certain number of watch hours on your channel. So you can't start making money with ads right off the bat. However, if you follow good practices with starting your channel, as I've covered in a few of my last videos about how to start a successful YouTube channel, then your channel should be able to grow and meet those thresholds pretty quickly. Once you do meet those thresholds, I think you'll be surprised at how much money you can make with ads. YouTubers make money when people actually click on the ads on their videos, but there are averages of approximately how much money you make per 1,000 views on your channel. And those rates per 1,000 views vary anywhere from about $2 per 1,000 views all the way up to about $20 per 1,000 views. Now, personally on my channel, I tend to make around $10 per 1,000 views, which is a little bit more than the average channel, but it all depends on exactly which niche you're in on YouTube. So exactly what your videos are about, who your audience is, because that influences what types of ads are shown on your channel. So I make about $10 per 1,000 views on my channel, and I know plenty of other people who also make a similar amount, but it is a little bit more common to make closer to $5 per 1,000 views. All right, so that brings us to the end of these 7 ways that you can make money on YouTube. But before you go, I've got a couple more things for you. First of all, if you want to know how much money I make with my YouTube channel, then you can click up in the corner there, and there's a video you can go check out where I show you behind the scenes of my YouTube dashboard and exactly how many dollars and pennies I make every single month with my YouTube channel. Secondly, if you are interested in starting your own YouTube channel and making money on YouTube, then I would encourage you to download my channel launch checklist. This document is a couple pages long, and it walks you through absolutely everything that you need to do to start a successful YouTube channel. This is one of the resources inside my channel launch course, and I know that you will find it incredibly helpful if you are working to start a successful YouTube channel yourself. Over these past 15 months, I have grown my YouTube channel to over 100,000 subscribers and reached over 4 million views here on YouTube. And reaching those big goals means that my YouTube channel is now able to support me and my family full time. To celebrate reaching this big milestone with my own channel, and as a way of saying thank you to everyone who has supported me over this past year and who has subscribed to my channel, I am currently doing a $10,000 giveaway, including 10 memberships to Startup Society, my program for online entrepreneurs. I'm also giving away 2 one-month one-on-one coaching packages with me, and I'm offering Channel Launch, which is my online YouTube course, at a really discounted price. So if you're interested in winning either of these giveaways or signing up for Channel Launch, then make sure you check the description down below. You'll find a link for each of the giveaways and also a link with more information about Channel Launch. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, then please hit the like button to let me know, and then you can also click over here to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my next video either. After you subscribe, go watch that video all about how much money I make on YouTube, or check out the description below for some other videos that I think you'll find really interesting. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Gillian Perkins, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.